Welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I will show you how to cut a cowl bubu gown. It's a short bubu gown, as you can see. If this is what you like to learn, continue watching till the end. To make this, I'm going to use 2.5 yards of fabric. I'm using chiffon fabric. You can use crepe, you can use satin. So first I'm going to fold this into 4. My fabric is folded into 4 for the back and the front. For the front, I left 1 inch joining allowance for the center front. First, I'm going to mark a starting line. This line will be my shoulder line. Next, from the center back, I'm going to mark the neck width of 3 inches. Also, for the neck depth, I'm going to mark 1 inch. I'll connect this line. For the front is a V-neck design, so I'm going to come down from the shoulder line 9 inches. Note the 9 inches I came down from. Next, on that center back, I'm going to measure the width, the shoulder divided by 2. Mine is 8 inches. I'll mark it here. On that shoulder line, I'm going to come down 1 inch for shoulder slope. From the center back, my fabric measures 28 inches from the center back, 28 inches, as you can see. So next, I'm going to make a slope, a shoulder slope. I'll connect these 2 lines and extend it down to the 28 inches I just showed you now. If you have been watching my bubu gown tutorials, you should know I like to always make shoulder slant. I'm going to shift this so that I will extend the sleeve slanting to the length of the dress. This length is for all sizes, from the center back to the sleeve length 28 inches. Remember, it's a bubu gown and it's a free bubu gown. Anybody can wear this, at least from size 6 to 22 can wear this. Next, this is a cowl bubu gown style, so I'm going to mark the length where the cowl will start from. So from the shoulder, I'm going to come down 32 inches. You can actually make it 30 inches or 34 inches. It depends how long you want the pencil to be. I'll go ahead and connect and square out this line. And on this line, I'm going to mark 14 inches. You can decide to make yours hips divided by 4 plus 2.5 inches. But I want to use 14 inches and a standard for me, because I'm making this for different sizes. Next, I'm going to square that line down to the hemline. Now this is the time to make the cowl design, the bubu cowl design. So from that place, I'm going to make a curve like this to give me the side cowl design for the bubu that I'm making. Go ahead and follow the way I'm making this. Curve it out like this. This should give you a nice cowl design. I'll go ahead and cut this out. Next, I'm going to make a notch where the sleeve will be. So you're going to take around your sleeve like this, your elbow, wherever you want it to drop, and divide that by 2. Mine is 6.5 inches. I'll mark it here. I'll go ahead and notch this place. When I'm sewing the side seam, this is where I'm going to stop, and this remaining place will be for the sleeve opening. And this is it for the back pattern. So I'll take away the back pattern so that I can cut the neckline for the front. Remember, for the V-neck design, I came down by 9 inches on the center front. So I'll go ahead and connect from the shoulder width down to the 9 inches. I'll go ahead and cut this off. Remember, we have 1 inch joining allowance, so I will cut this open so that I'll be able to join the front, because the front has center slits. I'll measure out where the slit will be. You can make it 7 inches, 9 inches. It depends on how long you want your slit. I'll go ahead and go to my machine now and sew 1 inch up to the place that I made the slit. So from here to here, I'll sew it and leave this place as the slit opening. This is it after sewing it, as you can see, and I've left the slit opening. So I'll go ahead, turn this over like this, because we are going to make a facing for it. You can see how the v-neck is neatly done. So I'm going to place this like this and cut out facing for the v-neck design.